Has an AI ever told you something with total confidence and it turned out to be completely wrong? That has a name. It's called a hallucination. And it is one of the most important things to understand about AI today. The good news, once you know why it happens, it stops being scary and you will know exactly how to protect yourself. So let's break it down nice and simple. First, what is it? A confident wrong answer. So what actually is a hallucination? It's simple. It's when the AI says something false, but says it smoothly and confidently as if it were 100% true. Look at this example. Someone asked who invented the telephone in 1605. The AI cheerfully answered it was invented by John Miller in 1650, but there's no such person and the date is wrong. It's completely made up. And here's the real danger. It's not just wrong, it's wrong and convincing as well. Here's an easy way to picture it. Imagine a student who never ever says, I don't know. Ask them anything and they will always give you a smooth, confident answer, even when they are really just guessing. They hate leaving a blank, so they fill the gap and say it like a fact. Well, the AI does exactly the same thing. It's built to always give you an answer. So when it doesn't know something, it doesn't stop. It invents something that sounds right. The real reason, it predicts the next word. So here's the key idea. And AI writes by predicting the next likely word over and over. For example, the capital of France is dash dash dash, and it fills in the next word based on patterns it learned. Most of the time, the guess is right, but that's the thing. It is still just a very good guess. The AI is always aiming for what sounds right, not what actually is right. And crucially, it has no built in fact checker inside. Sounding right is not the same as being right. So, what happens when it hits something it doesn't know? It fills the gap. Think of it in three steps. First, it learned patterns from a huge amount of text, but its knowledge has holes. It didn't read everything. Second, a gap appears. You ask about something rare, brandy, or very specific. And third, it invents a filler. It blends nearly every pattern into a smooth, believable answer. It's like marriage in the desert. It looks completely real, but there's actually nothing out there. Now, hallucinations don't happen randomly. They are most likely in a few specific situations. Very recent events, it may not even have learned what happened lately. Rare or niche topics. Less training text means more guessing. Exact facts and number, dates, codes, and statistics are easy to get subtly wrong. And vague questions and unclear prompt leaves of room to invent. The pattern is simple. The less it truly knows, the more it tends to fill in. Now, here's a really important point. So let's be fair to the AI. It's not lying and it's not broken. Lying means you know the truth and you hide it on purpose, but the AI doesn't know it's wrong. It fully believes its own guess. It's not trying to trick you and it's not faulty. It is simply a confident guess that went wrong, a natural side effect of how the technology works. Understanding that changes how you deal with it. But why does this really matter to us? So, why should you actually care? Because a confident wrong answer can slip right past you and cause real problems. It can invent fake sources, codes, studies, even legal cases that don't exist. It can give wrong advice on health, money, or safety, that too confidently. And if you copy it and share it, the mistake travels even further. So here's a simple rule of thumb. The more something matters, the more you should double check it. Now, how to protect yourself? There are 5 habits that you can just see. So, 5 simple habits go a long way. One, verify big claims against a trusted source. Two, ask the AI where its information comes from and then actually check it. Three, be specific. A clear, detailed question leaves less room to guess. Four, cross check. Ask again or ask a second tool and compare the answer. And five, stay just a little bit skeptical. Confident doesn't mean correct. Treat every answer as a smart first draft, not the final answer. And now some good news. Hallucinations aren't fully solved yet, but they are getting better fast. One big fix is giving the AI real sources to look up before it answers. You might remember that's called RAG. Another is showing its citations, so answers links to sources you can actually check. And newer models are being taught to say, I'm not sure instead of guessing. The logic is simple. Fewer gaps fill means fewer things made up. So, what's the right mindset? And here's the one I would suggest: treat AI like a brilliant, lightning fast intern. It's amazing at drafts and first ideas, at explaining and summarizing, and it does all of it in seconds. But you should always double check its facts, verify anything important, and keep a human charge of the final call. Use its speed, but don't switch off your own judgment. That's the balance where AI really shines. You have to be a human in the loop so you can verify the facts if those are really correct or not. Let's lock in with three quick lines. One, what it is: a confident wrong answer, false information delivered as if it were true. Second, why it happens: the AI predicts likely words and with no fact checker inside. It fill gaps with guesses. And three, what to do: stay a little skeptical, ask for sources, and verify anything that matters. Know it, expect it, and check it. Now, the one line takeaway: AI doesn't really know facts, it predicts words, so trust it but verify it. That single habit will save you from almost every hallucination out there. If this video made you helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments the funniest or strangest hallucination you have ever seen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.